Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. You all are doing good at home. You all are studying. So, here I am with a new lesson, simplification. We all have completed decimal chapter, so today we'll be studying a new lesson, that is simplification of numerical expressions. So, it is going to be very interesting. Are you all ready? Okay, so we'll be starting now. Before going to solve the problems, I just wanna show you a video. So you all watch the video carefully so that after the video I will ask you some questions related to the video and we'll be studying more about this. Are you all ready? Okay, now we'll be going to the video. So here is your video. You first watch the video, then we'll discuss.
Matty the mouse discovers 3 cheese cubes at the bottom of a shelf. Matty wants to get to the cheese. But wait, he must use his mathematical skills to reach the cheese. Matty must simplify this expression to reach the bottom. But he is confused. Which operation should he perform first? Matty must always follow this order of operations.
So as you can see is here Matty, a mouse is there who wants this 3 cheese. Okay, this 3 cheese Matty wants, and Matty is here with this expression. He has to solve this expression if he wants to get the cheese. Everybody understood? So what is the expression here? This is 4 into 5 minus, these are in bracket, again 6 minus 2. So he has to solve this to get this cheese, to reach this cheese, and he has to follow these rules. You can see this is bracket, division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So bracket 1 off, you will add it. So this will be what? Let me write down. So this will be what? This is B. So O for off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and lastly subtraction. So you can see this is nothing but called Bodmash. BODMAS. So this is Bodmash. So this is the rule we will use to simplify all the numericals. So first we will completely watch the video how Matty do the solution of this numerical expression to reach this cheese. Okay, we'll first finish the video, then we'll discuss it more. Okay.
He must start with brackets and go down the list. Subtraction should be the last step. In this problem, there are 2 brackets. Matty must start by simplifying the operations in the brackets. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. And 6 minus 2 is 4. Now, Matty has to only subtract 4 from 20. 20 minus 4 is 16.
So let me explain you again. So it was 4 into 5 minus 6 minus 2. But as you all know, here bracket is there, here also bracket is there. So when we go through the our formula, that is Bodmash, B comes first. B stands for bracket. So first we have to solve the bracket. I am writing the question here again. It was 4 into 5 Your minus sign is there. 6 minus 2. Okay. So now you can see this bracket has to solve first. It is the bracket. So it will give us 4 into 5 will give us 20. Then minus 6 minus 2 will give us what? 4. Again 20 minus 4 will be what? 16. Okay. So the answer is 16. So Matty got the answer. So you all can get the answer also. Now we'll be solving some problems. Let me write some questions for you. First question I will solve, then other questions you will have to solve. Okay? Okay. So students, here I'm with a question. You can see this question. This is 9 divided by 3 plus 6 into 2. And here also I had written the question, the formula for the rule which will apply to simplify. Okay, now coming to this question, you can see how many operations are there? 3 operations. One is division. I'm writing here D. This is A, addition. This is M, multiplication. So when we'll be solving it, we'll always see this rule to solve. So this is BODMAS. B stands for bracket, which is not here, so not required. Of D, then comes D. So division will have to solve. Among these 3 operations, we have to first focus on D, that is division. So we'll be solving this one. 9 divided by 3. Give a sign, equal sign, it will give us 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. And you write everything what is there just equal to in the next step. Only solve which is required. In the next step, you can see now only addition and multiplication there. So among addition and multiplication, which has to be solved first? You see this rule, M comes first, A comes next. So we have to solve this one, this multiplication first. So write down 3 here, 3 plus now 6 into 2 will give us 12. Okay. So this is done. Now the next step will be what? Only addition is there. 3 plus 12 will give us 15. So this is the answer. Isn't it so easy? Isn't it so interesting? So just apply this rule and solve all the questions. Just apply the rule. Everybody understood? There are many questions. So let me give you some homework so that you will be doing it. Okay. So I'm writing some homework for you. Okay. So here are some questions. Students, I have written for you. This is your homework. Simplify. This 3 questions I have written. So you can pause the video to note it down and solve it. Any problem, you can contact me. So these 3 problems you have to solve and many more are there. In the next class also we'll discuss it again. Okay. I hope you all have understood it and you will definitely solve your homework problems. And in the next class we will solve more problems on this topic only. This is for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye all of you. Have a nice day, students.